If you've ever struggled with juggling multiple computers or switching between different keyboards and mice, then Synergy is the software that makes those problems disappear. Created by Seamless, Synergy lets you control all of your computers with just one keyboard and mouse. It feels seamless, instant, and secure. Here is how it works. Synergy makes all your computers feel like one unified system. You simply move your mouse to the edge of one screen, and it glides over to the next computer. Everything from typing, clicking, and even copy and paste. It all transfers across devices. So whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or even Linux, Synergy bridges them together with ease. It saves desk space by eliminating extra peripherals like KMV switches, and unlike hardware switches, this one has no delays. The moment you move your mouse, you're already working on the other machine. Plus, everything is encrypted with TLS and SSL, so your inputs and clipboard data stay secure no matter what. Synergy eliminates friction and speeds up workflow. Engineers can debug across multiple systems without wasting time, and traders can react faster without fumbling between consoles. For everyday users, Synergy also breathes new life into old devices. You can use an old laptop for a second screen to work on, or gamers can run dual PCs for streaming without missing a beat. Artists and musicians can keep creative apps open on one system while having plugins on another. Synergy helps you cut out the clutter, save time, and stay focused on what matters. So if you're ready to simplify your work setup, then check out the link below to download. See you.